Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm here with a video for you guys on leading lines. What is a leading line? It's a line within the photo that leads your eye to a certain point of interest or to a certain part of the photo. And it doesn't always have to be a line that leads to the horizon. It can just be an interesting line within the photo that leads to a certain point of interest. For example, in this photo, these power lines are not leading to the horizon, but they are leading to this beautiful rock formation. And this is an example of a leading line that leads to a certain part of the photo. If you have any questions about leading lines, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And consider subscribing. I have a lot more videos coming up, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Now, in this photo, you can see the lines lead to the beautiful tree, the path. It's a leading line, and it leads your eye to the castle in the distance. Leading lines don't always have to be straight. They can be curved like in this photo. The path is a leading line and it curves around this rock formation, and it leads your eye to the beautiful lake in the background. Leading lines are a great compositional tool that you can use to bring attention to a certain part of your photo. And you can also have leading lines that go in different directions. For example, this photo, the path is a leading line, and it goes from the bottom left corner to the top right corner of the photo. And it's interesting because it creates a sense of movement within the photo. Look for lines within the scene that you can use to lead your eye to a certain point of interest. Use leading lines to create a sense of movement within your photos. And remember, leading lines don't always have to lead to the horizon. They can lead to any point of interest within the photo. This is a great example of a leading line that goes from one corner of the photo to another. In this photo, the log is a leading line, and it goes right to the point of interest, which is this beautiful red barn. So next time you go out to shoot, look for leading lines. Alright, so go out there, take some photos, and use leading lines to create some amazing pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit that like button. It really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video.